Bienvenido, welcome to another video of Day by Daylight. This one is on camping. Haha! Camping can be fun. Acampar puede ser divertido. Don't let nobody tell you how to play the game. Ah! Ghostface! It's my Ghostface! Listen, camping can be fun. Don't let other people tell you how to play this game. They didn't pay for it. For you, you paid for it. You play it the way you want to. Mira, acampar, si tú quieres hacerlo, hazlo. Puede ser divertido para usted. Tú pagaste por este juego. Nadie nos lo pagó. No dejen que te sienten mal. Don't let them make you feel bad because you decided to play one game camping. It's true that you're going to make less points. Sí, es de verdad que tú vas a hacer menos puntos. Pero es que tú lo quieres jugar así, juégalo. Este juego yo lo voy a jugar así. Que se vaya para carajo todo el mundo si no le gusta. You know, hey, screw everybody. If they don't like it, too bad. I pay for the game. Nobody paid for the game for me. And by the way, camping comes from Call of Duty. This isn't a war game. This is a killer's game. La palabra camping viene de Call of Duty. Este juego es de un asesino para matar. You know? If Henry Dahmer would have walked away from his victims, he couldn't eat them. Si Henry Dahmer dejaba a la gente que estaba matando, no se lo podía comer. Tenía que estar ahí para comérselo. Anyway, let's get to this game. Let's find somebody to kill. A buscar a alguien a matar. Y vamos a ver cómo va. Sí, muchas veces no te va a ir bien, pero muchas veces sí te, you know, lo va a ir. You're gonna love this game, you know. Whichever way you want to play it, it's fine. Don't let nobody make you feel bad. No dejes a nadie que te siente mal como tú lo estás jugando. Tú lo pagaste. You pay for it. You play it the way you want. I know for me, when I play Survivor, it's a little annoying. Yo sé que para mí, a veces me molesta cuando me lo hacen cuando yo soy el Survivor. ¡Toma, carajo! Otra vez se quedó ahí. No se movió. Mira, she didn't even move. Well, you know where she's going. ¡Ay, sótino! We gotta take her down to the basement. This is the perfect place to camp, especially with Ghostface. You hear the footsteps? Se pueden ver los pasos. Alguien está por ahí andando. Y aquí lo voy a hacer. Right here. This is where I'm going to do it. Right here. All right. Now I got my night shroud on. Mira. Oh! I got you. Now I got two. Come here, baby. Toma, carajo. Uh-oh. There's two. I got two. Dude, I'm telling you, it could be fun. Puede ser bien divertido. You could really enjoy this game. It's a camper. Look at that, two. Otra vez. Again. We're gonna do it again. I bet you I scared the shit out of them. Te apuesto que se cagaron encima cuando me vieron. Woo-wee. Uh-oh. You know they're coming because they want to get the points. Tú sabes que van a venir para los puntos. Mira, oye. Pow! Oh shit, I missed. Got you. I got you. I got you, baby. Ooh, she dropped the flashlight. There you go. That's fun. This is gonna be a short game. Va a ser bien cortito este juego. Alright. Vamos a ver si viene. Uh-oh, there's one down. Yeah, they're gonna tell you, oh, it's not fair. That's what killers do. Killers just don't walk away. Not real killers anyway. So we're kind of playing this game like real. Los asesinos de verdad, ellos no te ponen un lado y se ponen a andar y se van. So, estamos jugando este juego como realidad. Uh-oh. Ya se murieron los dos. Uh-oh. Mira, vino y buscó su flashlight. Did she get the flashlight? I can't tell. Pow! I got you! I got you! Uh-oh, they're upstairs. Están arriba. Mira, se oyen los pasos. Están arriba. Pues vámonos para arriba, pero vámonos para arriba. Uh-oh, por afuera. Let's go upstairs on the outside. Pow! Pow, I'd say. Oh, he tried to get back his box. That's why he stood there. You know where he's going. Tú sabes dónde es, ¿va? ¡Asátino! ¡Asátino! He's going down to the basement. That's where he's going. Put that hook nice and deep. Bien profundo. Le vamos a poner el gancho ese. Bien, pero bien profundo. Uh-oh. ¿La oyes? Está por ahí arriba. She's up there somewhere. Uh-oh. She's down there now. Pow! I got you, baby. Now I know this fool's down here somewhere. Just like este pendejo está por ahí abajo. Oh, mira, quiero andar. Vámonos. ¡Asátino! Let's take it out to the basement. Hang him up. There you go. Right. Tiene que estar por aquí. He's gotta be around here somewhere. There he is. I got you, mister. I got you. There you go. There you go. Let's send them off their way. See, it's fun. Sometimes it's fun to camp. Ya a veces sí, uno es bien divertido a hacer un campeón, como dice. Pero, y a veces no, fíjate. Sometimes it's not that good, but this is fun. This was fun. I could have made more points by not camping. Podía hacer más puntos por no campeando, pero yo lo voy a jugar como yo quiero. Es mi juego. Yo pagué por él. I paid for the game, so I'm not gonna let nobody make me feel bad because that's what I decided to do. And it was fun. I had a blast. It was fun. It was fun being camping. Sí, estaba bien bueno este juego. No hice muchos puntos, pero anyway, thank you for watching. Gracias por ver. Muchas gracias a todos mis subscribers. Thank you.